Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Would you like to add in an accessory to a room that will totally upscale it without breaking the bank? That's what I find is the case with this awesome, beautiful mirror from TETOTE. This beautiful 20 by 30 mirror has a matte black frame. You can see that the beveled edges really give it a luxe detail that would be unexpected usually in a mirror this size. I also really love that the mirror itself was packed so well. I have absolute confidence that if I wanted 20 mirrors from TETOTE, they would all be packed beautifully, and I don't have to worry that it's going to be damaged in transit. The crystal clear tempered glass makes it incredibly durable and impact resistant. The mirror was super easy to put up. You can see in the back that it has brackets to hold it up that are built right in. So there's no glue marks on the back of the frame, and it will not detach from the wall because it's made so sturdy. It looks beautiful mounted to a wall, but you could also just lean this on a dresser or on a mantle. Everything about it really shows that it was given lots of attention to detail and that it is well constructed and well made. My husband and I are super impressed by the quality of this mirror. It definitely tops the cake when it comes to what I wanted to add into my guest space. It looks luxurious, it looks inviting, it's perfect for guests that are getting ready in the morning, and honestly, it would look beautiful anywhere in the home. And that's my point of view.